To welcome us back this afternoon, it is my pleasure to introduce Suzanne Sherman. Appointed in 2020, Suzanne currently serves as the Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs at New College of Florida. She joined the college faculty in 1989 as an Associate Professor of Chemistry following a National Institute of Health postdoctoral fellowship appointment at Harvard University. As Provost, her work is focused on student success and persistence. Some key accomplishments during her tenure include programming that supports students in their transition to New College and increasing the integration of career preparation into the academic program. Please join me in welcoming Suzanne Sherman, Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs at New College.
Thank you so much. I am so pleased to welcome the Sustainable Communities Workshop to our campus. And since I have a captive audience, and it's growing, I am going to talk for a few minutes about New College, my favorite place. New College is the honors college of the State University System of Florida. We are nationally recognized and ranked number 5 among public liberal arts and sciences colleges by U.S. News and World Report. It is fitting that your workshop is being held at New College because New College was ahead of the curve in building an environmental studies major many decades ago. Currently, it is one of our most popular areas of study. With just under 700 students, we are tiny but mighty, as President Pat Oker likes to say. Our academic programs are rigorous, and our approach to education is not the norm. Our students receive performance evaluations of their work instead of grades. And our semester contract system gives our students the freedom to stretch themselves and take academic risks. This growth mindset allows our students to pursue their own interests, build their skills, and apply them to teamwork as well as their own independent projects. Our approach to career education has achieved national recognition. Every incoming student at New College is assigned not only a faculty academic advisor, but also a career coach. Our goal is for every student to participate in a paid internship during their time at New College through community partnerships, both locally and beyond. Our graduates are resilient and creative problem solvers, able to examine issues with an interdisciplinary lens. They know what they don't know, and they have the research skills to acquire the new knowledge they need. Consider New College alum Robert Bilott, the corporate lawyer who took on DuPont. Over a 20-year battle, his work led to EPA regulation on what we now call forever chemicals, the perfluoroalkyls and related compounds. Bilott credits New College for instilling skills that equipped him for battling the establishment. As he said, how to think critically, how to analyze data, and how to question what you are seeing and look at it for yourself. Last week, New College launched the New College Challenge, an initiative focused on coastal, economic, and social resilience. The New College Challenge is expected to become a community incubator for bold ideas. Design experts from Yale, University of Florida, University of South Florida, Keene University, Syracuse University, and the University of Miami will bring in teams of their students to consider how the new college campus can better adapt to our changing climate, increase its sustainability, and double down on community wellness or social resilience. We hope you will get involved in the New College Challenge. I encourage you to visit the website ncf.edu/challenge for more information about this powerful new initiative. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.